today. Wonder what it will be. Biscuits, muffins, rolls, sweet bread. Will it be made in bread machine or in a pan in the oven?
So I am making bread today. So we got 3 tablespoons of milk. I'm using cream because that's what I have. 1 egg. So next thing we're adding is 1 cup of zucchini, which I drained in because it was in the freezer. So now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of pastry flour or bread flour. So going to add 3 tablespoons of wheat germ, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of ground coriander. So let me go get my yeast and my butter. So we're adding 1.5 teaspoons of yeast and about 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm just going to smidge it on my hand, and then we're going to turn it on, and you know what the rest part of the bread machine recipes that we've been doing. So same thing. I did forget to tell you, this is zucchini wheat bread. That is the name of this recipe. It looks like it's not very, I did add a little bit of milk, and it did say according to the book, you're supposed to add another tablespoon if you're using a certain brand of bread machine. I am using the Toastmaster brand, so